So the next thing I want to talk about are lotions, and I have two of them. I really gravitate towards lotions when I'm in a hurry, when I need to go to work and get dressed right away. I also like to use lotions if I want to put a lotion on my body, but I'm not just stepping out of the shower. I feel like lotions tend to sink in better on dry skin than oils do, of course. So let's talk about the first one. This is the CV Skinlabs. This is their body repair lotion. It is $36 for 6 ounces, so a little bit on the expensive side. And I usually get it like at Detox Market, I think, or Credo. So when they have their sales going on, that is when I will pick up a few of these. It is designed for dry, flaky, fragile skin. There is aloe, olive fruit oil, mushroom extract, rosehip oil, St. John's wort extract, turmeric, and beeswax. So keep that in mind that this is not a vegan formulation. I am just so in love with this product. It's been a long time favorite. The texture is on the thin side. It's very lotiony. It absorbs very quickly. It has a beautiful scent of almost kind of like a vanilla tonka kind of scent. And I have reviewed the ingredient list so many times because I'm just like, where is this beautiful scent coming from? I can't figure it out, but all I know is it just has this really beautiful kind of sweet, earthy smell that I have grown to really, really love. So I highly recommend this lotion.